Go for boy Blaze now because him ever have nothing for him. He never have nothing for him, man. And me know him have some up there for him, you know. You know one thing, so. You know, see, sometimes I feel wonder how Jamaican people so mean. You wonder if I chew, he pass it hour. I check him. I see if he might give me something. Oh! Blaze, that know as you see me here pack up the juice so fast, brother. One go, give me some.
I tell me.
Oh, I tell you. See, I rest him, man. So give me some for him, my dog.
No, nothing down me.
Brother, nothing never done for you for me. Yeah, brother, I want to you, brother. Oh!
Brother, supermarket, lock up, you know.
Let me ask you a question. Before you go to the supermarket thing, how you do it, pan? Famine? All year round famine, you never have nothing for your yard. Brother. You never have water to drink. You never have beverage. You never have nothing. You never have muck. You never have rice. Brother, a poor people sitting there never have them here.
I die, me dey pan look how me mug.
Yeah, for right. Oh!
Look at.
Brother, big man mess dog, you're too mean, brother. You have to give me something here when I come up here, brother. Every time I come up on my yard, I get something here. But when I get something here, I teach something out of me yard, brother. And a tabernacle I live in, I'm never have something here, brother. You mean you're fat, and you're mean as well, you're up. And guess what, you're mad like the people who turn up at a bus stop. Well, you know, say, I danger time now, and the people them pack up. Yeah, you're full like them people. No, I ring, brother. No, I ring, brother. Well, guess what, no. I want to go through, but I check your back, you see it, I check your back.
Man, I'm fighting.
And you in a fret. And if we can plan up here, rob all the boy now here. Oh! Informer? Alright. Yo, informer! Oh! Yeah. What's that? Bro, I got a place. But I lie, tell. I've got to tell Blaze this man. Blaze, bro, I got to tell Blaze. What? Where's it? What's it? Blaze, are you there? We boy really gone. 7 years you just do that, brother.
Come here. We get some mackerel, but me not get no fear, you see me?
So brother, you really got 2 mackerel, brother. When my 2 mackerel there, because 2 mackerel can't share if you and me alone, you know, brother. You don't know, so me have 20 picking over my yard, is supposed to have more mackerel than that.
No, brother, you not get none of this. This is for me alone.
See a lot for the 2020 markets. Well clean. $1 million you get it. Not even $1 million. $900 you get it.
Oh!
See a lot.
What markets are sell?
See a lot for the 2020 markets. Come get it. You last one left.
Basi, wait, say. How much it?
Yo, how much money you have? Any amount of money you have, you get it, man.
Tell me no money, brother.
Brother, what's it for us, man?
We can't trust it.
Just what? Just in no work again, man.
So, how markets look so?
You know, see you?
Oh. I never know say I new title.
Yeah, man, I
so,
new
so hold on,
title,
I can go down to my friend. I link up my friend and forward back, you know.
Yeah, man, you can do it, man.
Yo, make sure you see everything for me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bossy over there, so I sell my markets, you know, elephant.
Market?
Yeah,
So where money, you have the money?
but how much are 10,000 now?
Brother, you know, say $10 to make out $10,000, brother. You know that? A back a square it go, brother.
Oh, so I have to cut this now too.
Brother, you idiot, that's not even money, brother.
Oh! They don't say money grow up on
Brother, you idiot, you know, brother. I said, so me see one advertisement on TV, you know, dog. So you can plant clocks and get on a bank around Wallapie. So I plant my clocks, dog. My brand new clocks, and I just got it on go buy, no, brother. When I check it out, brother, my shoes dirty up and my shoes wet up, brother. John just start grow up on it, brother. Right now, circle him, no, brother.
Oh, yeah, I go over there, you afford.
Brother, me now come in, no, brother, because me now look like idiot like you, no, brother.
That's
I leave
brother.
you, brother.
You man say, yo, any money accepted, brother.
Brother, I'm going to see care to, brother.
Come in, dog.
Not even 2 and follow you, no, dog. Go on,
Forward,
dog.
brother, forward.
No long more sell me car. This a man come there tell me about
Bossy, see money, you know.
Yeah.
So, where key then?
See key I know boss man.
Oh, respect. Yo, meds me clean car, dog.
Brother, I that you really to come by, brother. You see, I want I'll jog with the Markex 2020 right, Panny. Brother, you and the dealer are butu.
Brother, eating a what, dog, and I'm not eat that, brother. Look.
That's the key boss. Sure.
Why eat that now?
Because
Where's it?
you can't go cook food. Dad.
What? Man, I have to do nothing for man here, you can't do that, man.
Immediately. Every time, I'm here for cook. Can't bother no man.
The boy love him belly, just poison it.
Bomba, you can't.
Just do what me tell us if you do, dog.
Alright.
He needs some milk.
there.
Dog, you see something? You blind, brother? See it, yeah.
Let me get some now, Virgin. Let me get some, man. Ah.
Oh, you're upon him, man. Oh, you're upon him.
Oh!
Wait. Sit and drop in there. You taste it first.
Fatality.
Breaking news. Yes, yesterday me stumbled upon an incident. As a victim backfired. You see me? Some kind of business going. You see me? I don't know what happened. So me ask for a civilian. Run the place. So let's go.
Tell her, brother. Me only see you at talk to the girl, you see me? And me just pretend like me no see nothing. Me just go and look in and see what them a do. Cause right now India sing one song, we say something and they da praise like whatever. You see me? TV, you that? Nah man, brother, that good, you see me? Me only just watch them make them do what they want to do. Cause me no want get involved, you see it? Once you page a little more, you wait.
Alright, guys, me get a picture of him. So he pop up, he up on the screen right now. So if you don't see him, you call 1-800 Blaze Dan. That's 1-800 Blaze Dan. You see, cause we offer 100,000 to catch him, whether eaten or alive. You see me? We out here.
So not your fault. Yeah. My child here, this one. So, every time I name somebody after they come out,
Oh!
Kuya, when I eat biscuit,
Oh!
belly around the hungry, no? I go ask him to some. Oh, biscuit, let me just hear it.
biscuit, brother.
Hey, biscuit, where did it have?
Brother. No you. I know for we for me. No, this can't share. No you cannot go on this. This a mix with disinfectant, bleach, all sort of thing. I'm just add a little food color and forget a little yellow look. You see
But
me?
you
You not go
still
on.
see. Just give me some.
You think you eat it? You know what I did?
Me thirsty, you know? Come let me
Brother,
have
don't cough the same. You know see our time.
Oh!
Yeah, man, me know our time, man. A time for beg out some of your biscuit. Give me some, man.
Brother, you deaf? N-O-T-U. No, N-O. No.
Oh!
You know, give me none.
No.
Remember, say you see the hang cap on my party, no?
Power up. Me no cook.
No for me. Why do you not come get me out? Give me.
Aboy! If you quit, you want this
Take a one trip to the shop. What? Never know, say me none a rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry. See hello today. We there, you are there. We don't want something, no want food, no want tissue. Yo, we there, no, we are antibiotic. Come here now, over there. What I say, Marcy, come here. You know antibiotic.
Boss, calm down, man. Me know see a girl chip by your bitch. And things, but guess what? One thing more, brother, I test you. Cause everybody heard I test you, so watch out. Run all them 3 tests. Yo, fast.
So Marcy, you don't want no syrup or nothing. You don't want to go and feed fried filters. You don't want no syrup feed to make things. You don't want no soapy beard. You want the girl if you call her not beard that road.
So me tell us me a beer fi smell sweet fi go look girl. Brother, me no want no time fi look no girl. Me no want no high fi fly no filters. Me no want no syrup fi mix no trends. Boss, run it back when me left your place. Me dey on the rush like everybody that go spend time with me kiss you.
So Marcy, you don't want no rice all.
How much time I place me no do that? But them lick you out of them kiss you.
So Marcy, you have to fling it tissue after me.
Okay, man.
After me don't do nothing, and me ask you for if you want Lysol.
Say you're right, get shot. How much me asking nothing? Pass me tissue. Come me tissue and go and go easy to it. Ask how much beer and question, man. Say you're right.